Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Dreamstime contributor dashboard payments step by step clearly. Log into your Dreamstime contributor account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Earnings tab. Click on the Payments option. Review your earnings balance. Ensure you have met the minimum payout threshold. Select your preferred payment method. If using PayPal, enter your email address associated with your PayPal account. For bank transfers, provide your banking details as required. Click on the Withdraw button. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the payment details displayed on the screen. Ensure all information is accurate. Submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification. Check your email for updates on your payment status. Allow a few business days for processing. Monitor your payment method for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, contact Dreamstime support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.